Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to put the device into fastboot mode. And to get started, hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume down to boot into fastboot mode. So let's do it right now, power, volume down. There we go, so as you can see we are now in the desired mode. And if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key till the screen turns off. There we go. So it's going to automatically turn back on, as you can see, and boot back into Android. And there we go, as you can see we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.